What's up, everybody? We have our heads back for the LS7 and the Z06 back from Texas Speed and Performance. So let's get them opened up and see how they look. They come nicely boxed up, double boxed, one on the outside, one on the inside. You open it up, they have them packed extremely well. So let's take a peek at them and see how they did. Oh yeah. Get up out of here. They didn't look bad when we sent them out, but they're brand new looking now, so get the plastic off and we'll check them out. We did not have the combustion chamber CNC'd. They're actually factory CNC'd, and this is boosted, so they recommended not doing that, because usually when they CNC the chamber, they'll cut the deck a little bit just to get the compression ratio back to where it is stock, and you know, that weakens the deck slightly. So we just opted to have no work done by them in the combustion chamber itself, and just skim the surface to make sure it's true. You can see in the exhaust, see down in there, they really smooth them up. They're fully CNC ported. You can see the bronze valve guides they put in there. I believe they replaced all of the exhaust valves. Yep, they're all new. They reused the intake valves, clean everything up, reseat them, see how the intake side looks. Oh yeah, that's just as nice. Again, you can see down in there, you can see the bronze guides they put in, and they blended everything in very nicely. Everything's assembled. You got the PAC 660 valve springs on there, new valve seats, and retainers. Very, very nice. We're still plugging along here. We got the radiator back in, fans, water pump back on, some of the hoses hooked back up. Getting ready to clean the deck surfaces now and get the heads ready to install. I am still waiting, unfortunately, on my head studs from Texas Speed, ARP head studs, but they should be here tomorrow. They were supposed to be here over the weekend, but of course FedEx decided not to leave them for some strange reason. So hopefully they'll be here tomorrow and we can get the heads torqued down and get this thing finished up. Actually, I hear a truck outside now. Let's run out and see. Hopefully it's the FedEx truck. And it is. Hopefully he has my head studs. Alright, so in fact it was my head studs from Texas Speed, so we'll get them opened up. When I questioned the guy, the driver, why they didn't get delivered, he said laziness. So the guy filling in for him on Saturdays just didn't deliver them for some reason. It's unbelievable. FedEx is horrible as far as that goes. This guy was super nice, and I appreciate it. At least we have them now. We can get back to work on this and get finished up. Might as well do an unboxing while we're here. Got our ARP LS1 Pro Series head studs, 12 points. Open them up, and because this thing is boosted, we just went ahead and got new O-rings for the intake gaskets, also for LS7, of course. So we got our parts. Now we can get to work. Texas Speed always includes keychains too, and a couple stickers.